Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the RI channel. I hope everyone doing great. Today we having the Porsche 911 Carrera GTS 991, and in this video I will show you how to remove that trim for the window or molding. That's going to be very helpful for your project. Let me explain on the car. Let's go. That's the Porsche behind me, that piece, the black piece there. So I'm gonna tell you how to remove that. Very important. Before start, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe and then give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and then if you don't like it, just commenting below why you don't like or how I can make it better. Let's get into the car. Okay, if you are going to wrap this car or do the paint or do whatever you want, you need, because for the wrap we have to tuck the film behind this one. Okay, from here it's getting two pieces, one long one and then one short one here. Okay, if you see with the things, you can grab this one. Also bottom part is much easier to pull it up and then put the film under it, so it's gonna be very easily. But here it's not moving at all. Okay, I will show you how to do that. Then first things you need, this rubber sealing, this area need to be removed. Okay, like this. What's this? That's it. Okay, and remove it. Release this one until a bit near the window. That's all you need. Okay, and then can you see those are white pieces? Those are, it's the torque 20, a star shape, and then you cannot remove that one. Just put that one there and then twist it and then stop. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one, this one, and this one. Okay, after you release those, just trace one time. Grab this one. Okay, it's coming off until here. From here, put your hand, or from here, gently try to pull it or take it to your side, sliding forward, like this way. Okay? Yeah. So let's review it again. From here, take that sealing out, and then all those are hole you can see. It's the plastic torque 20. Just twice, one time, and then here if you see one. So that's what it is. If you do work on the Porsche 911, it's going to be very helpful, because usually wrapping around the molding or the rubber sealing, it's kind of headache. So you're gonna save the ton of the time and also money too. In our job, time is money. So please like it, and then I'm gonna come back soon. Take care. Bye bye.